Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your federal bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in fednetbank.com. It will take you to the official website of Federal Bank, and over here choose your account type and click on continue to log in. It will take you to the login portal of Federal Bank. And over here, enter the user ID of your account and enter the password of your account in the password section. And over here, enter the mobile number including your country code. Once you do that, enter the verification code that is given here. Now click on login. You will be logged into your federal bank account. And in case if you guys have forgotten your login credentials, click here forgot password or forgot user ID to reset it. So this is how you can log in into your federal bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.